Tommy was a big, strong bully in class. He pushed around the other boys, beat them up, ate their lunch, and made them do his homework. His endless torture was unbearable. One day, the boys got together and decided to face up against Tommy. When he beats one among us, all folk will stand together to fight back, said a boy. The other said, if he eat our lunch, we will stand together to retrieve it back from him. Another one said, I won't do his homework anymore. If he forces, we will march to the together teacher to complain. It was decided that they will all stand together when Tommy bullies any of them again. When the time came, those boys stood together as a team and showed Tommy that they were not scared of him anymore. Tommy tried to push them harder. In the process, he got beaten up by all the boys. Therefore, Tommy never bullied anybody again. As he was shown his place, the moral one man cannot fight a battle, but team can. Teamwork helps in achieving our goals.